It's close to 9:30 p.m. Today is 28th of March. Today is my shifting day, and I've been up for last 16 hours. I got up at 6 o'clock. My shifting was supposed to start at 7 o'clock, and I don't know what got into my head. I booked no broker. The worst mistake of my life. Like, I'm so completely drained out right now. Like, it's my voice is also not coming out properly. They were supposed to come at 7 o'clock. They turned up at 8 o'clock. Instead of 4 people, they only sent 2 people. They didn't have enough packing material. In between, one of them runs off to get breakfast and comes back after 45 minutes. So there's only one person working. In this entire situation, I call no broker. Guys, they're completely unresponsive. I put a chat request on their app, and nothing at all from them. And finally, when I get in touch with them, they promise me that they're sending someone over. And this goes on. Like, for next 4 calls, they're saying someone's coming, and no one comes till 12 o'clock. So something that could have been moved and packed in 3 hours, now it's 4 hours and only 2 people are there, and they are working slowly, and they run out of paper. They need paper to wrap the glass articles, so they run out of paper. Then after 12 o'clock, this third person comes in. He comes in empty-handed, and then he goes back to get paper. So that takes up another 1 hour. He gets like 4 kgs of paper then. And the work is going on. It's going on very slowly. Something that could have got done in 3-4 hours is now still going on. It's now 4 o'clock. At 4 o'clock, they realize that they don't have enough wrapping material for electronics. So then again, they wait further, and after 2 hours, the wrapping material comes in. So around 6:30, the wrapping material comes in. So now it's good close to 11 hours since the work has started, and still the work is not done. Then in between, they run out of tape. There isn't enough tape for them to pack. They run out of gunny bags. And at this point, I'm trying to call the partner. Partner is completely unresponsive. He's not taking calls, nothing. And he has the audacity to tell me when I do get in touch with him, and that too after like calling him like a dozen times, he tells me that, oh, I'm not going to send more people. You have to make do with whatever you have. I escalate to no broker at least like 10 times. Again, they are useless as hell. They're not able to do anything. Finally, one of them tells me that I need to write to the grievance officer. So I write to the grievance officer. He finally calls back, and nothing happens. I have now sent close to 6 emails to grievance officer. Nothing's happened. After all of this shit, finally they get done with packing at about 7:30. They get the stuff down 7:30, but there's no vehicle. These guys don't even have their own vehicle. So now this partner of theirs isn't responding. So these guys were packing. They're trying to get in touch with this guy. He's not picking up his phone. Finally, then one of them actually books a tempo through Porter. It's ridiculous. Like, these guys have nothing. Like, no broker is just milking the shit out of these people. I feel bad for the laborers because they are made to do 4 people's job. I mean, it's not a 2-person job. And after waiting, and the tempo comes in, and finally the stuff gets into the tempo, and it's loaded at 9:15 p.m, which is now 14 hours. And I'll tell you what has been packed inside. So I mean, people will feel that it's a lot of stuff. It isn't a lot of stuff. It's only 14 cartons, and in terms of electronics, I'm only carrying my fridge. I'm carrying one of my split ACs, and what else? That's it. Like some air purifier and microwave. nothing major at all, and one television. And this has taken them 14 hours. Can you believe it? And like, I have wasted these 14 hours of my life on incompetent people, and I don't even know what to do anymore. Like I'm completely drained out. I don't know. I've been screaming and shouting all day, and nothing's happened. Like I've even messaged their CEO on Twitter, and nothing, no response. So I humbly request anyone and everyone who's ever considering using NoBroker app for anything, please don't. I mean, not just shifting and moving, don't use them for anything. This is a rubbish app. It's maybe they're just concentrating on tech. They have zero customer experience. Even if you call the call center, they're not able to resolve anything. It just goes into the black hole. Like someone picks up the call, they listen to your complaint, and nothing happens. They don't escalate, nothing whatsoever, and they lie to you on your face. I sincerely hope that investors of NoBroker are seeing this and take notice, because if you're giving such pathetic service, then I don't think that you should survive in the market. Like maybe this is just it. Like this is the tip of the iceberg. I mean, it's just one person who's actually coming out and complaining. I'm sure there are millions like me, or whatever number of people who use this app, who have a similar experience. And the entire thing is that how the company has no remorse, right? Like someone suffered, someone's been harassed the entire day. There's nothing at all from them. They should compensate me for the pain that I've gotten through. It's been a nightmare. I wouldn't even wish this on my enemy. So guys, please, whoever seeing this, whoever this video reaches out to, please do not use NoBroker.